Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Stovetopyumyum Seasoning Blend Series. Today I'm going to make a delicious, easy baked chicken. I'm using chicken thighs with bone in. And today, guys, we are using my Blazin gunpowder. So we're going to have very flavorful heat in our dish. If you don't like spicy, you can use my original. And let me show you the ingredients. Come on. Okay, guys, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I have 8 chicken thighs bone in. I love chicken thighs. They have been so, I would advise you to put them some lemon juice, fresh lime juice. Left them in the fridge overnight. It's absolutely delicious. So I have that there. I've got some amazing cherry tomatoes, about close to 20 of them. I have a sliced, delicious medium onion. I've got probably 6 or 7 Baby Yukon gold potatoes quartered. I have 3 garlic cloves minced, some cilantro. We're going to use the zest of a lime. And guys, here's the kicker. I have a whole entire jalapeno sliced right here, sliced thin. So now we are going to get started on this, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. We're at the stove, and this is so simple. Make sure you preheat your oven at 350 degrees. We are going to bake this. We're going to cover it with foil so the steam inside will cook the potatoes. It'll be so beautiful. It will be so beautiful. The first thing we are going to do, though, is I normally grab gloves, but that's okay. We're going to grab our chicken. First, I'm going to grab your nonstick spray. I swear by this stuff. For those of you that have been following me for a long time, you already know that to me everything sticks. So I remember when I went through so many cans of this when I did the 12 days of cookies 2 years ago. Gosh. All right, guys. So we've got our pan ready. Okay, this is kind of like a dump and toss. But the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab some tongs since I don't have gloves. Let me grab my gunpowder. All right. Boy, this cupboard's full of seasonings. And the gunpowder, and keep in mind as well, guys, the gunpowder has 100% granulated honey in the mix, just enough to tame the heat. So I've got my gunpowder open. Remember, it's very flavorful heat. You have the lemony coriander. We're just going to go ahead and put these. Okay, guys, so I'm going to grab 1 tablespoon. I'm assembling this. It's very simple. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Remember, we have raw chicken on our tongs, but everything else is going in the oven, so we're good. So we're just going to do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Bam. This is going to add a lot of crispiness to your chicken at first in the oven because we're going to cover it for our potatoes and what have you. But what we're going to do is first we're going to go ahead and add our gunpowder to our chicken. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Seems like a lot, but keep in mind there's no salt, sugar, or gluten in my seasonings. So it doesn't really matter. You can really be as generous as you'd like. There's no worries on over salting your dish. This is what I normally do. I'll sprinkle over the top and I'll turn it over and get it on the other side. We do definitely want to do it skin side down first, but we are marinating right now. Seasoning, excuse me. It's already marinated. So we're gonna if you want to use the gunpowder, guys, with the lemon juice and leave your chicken overnight, that's even better. Oh, so incredible. But it's delicious this way too. So I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to grab my tomatoes. Just throw your tomatoes. A 1-pot dish. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. And it's nice if you have company come over to invite them over. Oh, look at this little jalapeno took off. Hold on. Over. Do this. We'll move it around. Now we're going to grab our cilantro. Of course, I have to garnish with some at the end. So I'll put my cilantro in here, guys. Let me see. Are you guys seeing this? Get a close up. Put my cilantro. So my oven's ready. It's letting me know it has preheated, guys. So I usually make this with brown rice, or if John's in the mood for some white rice, which is not good for us, but hey, we have to live, so that's how we roll. So, you know, I'll treat myself once in a while. Okay, so be careful when you're dealing with jalapenos with the seeds and all that fun stuff. Although our seasoning blend is hot, so is the jalapeno. Please take note and be very careful with your hands, guys. You don't want these seeds in your eyes. Dandy. We're gonna do a whole lime. It's incredible, guys, how the actual skin of the lemon or the lime have all the oils. It gives such a deep, delicious flavor. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna grab some. We are gonna squeeze our lime in here. Everybody starts taking off, guys. That's okay, because I normally have gloves to use my hands. I just don't feel like using my hands today because I don't want to get it in my nails. Perfect. All right, so we got that. So we're gonna line our chicken up properly and move our potatoes out of here. Watch this, guys. Squeeze our lime. We have our dish. Look at that, how beautiful that looks. Isn't that pretty? Oh, can't wait till it's done. So my oven is preheated. Let me grab my little shingadig here. My little lemon squeezer that I love so much. I have to get some, I gotta get some links so you guys can pick these things up if you don't have them. They're so incredible. I'm gonna put links where I get it, so that way you guys know. It's just so handy. Make sure the side of the lime is up. A lot of us, including myself, never even knew that. Look at all that juice. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is, since I didn't do it before, is we are gonna grab a little bit more of our gunpowder for our potatoes, tiny bit, not a lot. So we're totaling about two and a half tablespoons. That's it. That's it. Small sprinkle, guys. We are going to cover this. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm covering this. I'm covering it because that will steam on the inside and it will nicely cook our potatoes so they don't fall apart, which I think that's a very good tip. So guys, right now I'm going to put this in the oven. We're going to bake this for probably 25 to 30 minutes at 350. We're going to check it, 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to drop it in. Yum. And when I come back, those tomatoes are going to be so bubbly and the potatoes are going to be so creamy. And oh my goodness, you won't believe the flavorful heat in this dish. And like I said, if you don't like heat, omit the jalapenos and just use my original. It's just as incredible, you guys. You don't want to miss this. When I come back, I'm going to plate. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. We're going to plate. And you guys, you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. And our beautiful, easy oven-baked chicken is ready, guys. It's beautiful. If you want to crisp it up, you can put the broiler on. I never do because we don't like the skin of the chicken. It just adds flavor, but we don't like it. We usually just take it off. So I'm going to grab one and show you guys how incredible and how, oh my God, the smell is amazing. You can eat it just like this. You got your delicious tomatoes, jalapenos. Oh my goodness, this stuff is incredible. It's really amazing. And I love the actual juices. Look at the juices. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. I'm going to do a little close-up so you can see how the juices flow in this thing. You see that? Oh my goodness, it's incredible. Incredible, guys. Cilantro cooked out. Just want to add flavor on that. Grab some more of these. Grab some more potatoes. And now, for the magic, I'm going to grab, love the sauce. Grab some sauce. Yum. Mmm. So I would usually serve this with some brown rice, or you can serve it with brown rice, cauliflower rice. It all depends. My husband likes white rice sometimes, which is a big no-no here, but hey, you know, look at that. How pretty is that easy baked chicken? Wow. And I made it with, it's very flavorful heat, by the way, guys. I made it with my amazing Blazin gunpowder seasoning blend. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, And with the fresh jalapenos, guys. This stuff is incredible, you guys. I made it with my Blazin gunpowder seasoning blend. No salt, sugar, gluten, or MSG. This smells so amazing. Look at that. Wait a minute. The fuck? Wow. Oh my goodness. Let me take a little bite. I'm gonna take a little bite. So how was that? Incredible. Oh my goodness. And so simple. I mean, sometimes you can, like I said, accompany it with brown rice. You can accompany it with cauliflower rice. Yum. All right, guys. So as I mentioned, we do not do skin. We do not do the skin. So delicious cilantro. I'm gonna cut this here. Almost looks smoked, guys. Yum. From the covering of the foil, it's pink in the middle. Like if it was smoked. Yum. Get a piece of everything, but be careful because the veggies are probably very, very hot. Mm. 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 Yum. Mm. My goodness. Woo! But if you like hot, guys, get ready for it because it's hot. Yum, but it's flavorful. It sits right here. It won't burn your palate. It won't anything. So, guys, always remember, today we used our Blazin gunpowder. I've got my organic holy mango and my smoky original, guys. And don't forget the two main ingredients in every episode that I have, which are passion and love. That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care what you look like. Doesn't matter. If you incorporate passion and love in anything you're doing in the kitchen, cooking, I promise you guys that you won't fail. And don't forget, guys, in the description, I've got my seasoning blends. John, can you bring my, hold on, I'll get it. Make sure you guys go to the description. And guys, I finally published my first recipe journal. It's a hardcover. The link will be in the description. Wow, I'm so excited, you guys. Look at this. You can be sitting in the comfort of your own home, writing down all the instructions and all the recipes while you're watching my show. This makes me so happy. It really has tickled my heart. My author copy came today and it's hardcover and I'm so excited. The link is in the description. Hey guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. So as always, from the bottom of my heart, I say au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I will be back and I'll see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.